So I can say I think the key to a healthy and balanced life is, I think the key is constant self-assessment. If you live life with arrogance, what's really going to be happening is you're going to spend most of your life blaming other people, and you're not going to have fulfilling relationships because you're not going to let anybody in, right? There's always going to be some distance. But a person who has enough ego strength to take feedback from the universe, from the people around them, and then also from ourselves, and then have skills. And that's what we do here, is we provide the skills and we provide the behavioral mechanisms to address those or implement those. I just met with a young man this morning who said, you know, all I do is lie, and I want to learn how to build trust, you know. And so we spent an hour talking about, he's not my client even, but we spent an hour talking about how he can have a code. And he could identify by looking at other people that he really honored how they do life and things that allowed him to trust them. So we could pull those behaviors, and we came up with a game plan for how he could do that in his life. And then the second part of that is act as if. So now I have my code, and I'm going to behave according to that code across situations, but the key is I'm acting as if I'm doing that regardless if anybody's watching or not. So if he's working on that code, and the one thing that he said at the end is, he said, one of the things that I'm taking away from this conversation is I need to use the word I more. I did this, I need to apologize, I need to fix it, rather than do the blame game, which I think our culture, we're really big into assigning blame, especially if it's outside of ourselves. And I think the world would be a better place if we all had the ego strength to take responsibility for our own actions and then correct. And I think that's what we do here.